Next up, the equipment storage key. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. Maps.techno.com. This one's an Armory key that you'll find all the way down south in the main Armory area here. Zooming in on the west side, all the way at the very bottom, you'll find the ammo dump here, and right next to it, the room where we want to go. So we'll enter through the garage and make our way down here. Let's do it. Making our way towards these little rooms here. It's all the way down at the bottom. I'll go through here just so we can loot in this next room as well. So in here, we'll find some ammo caches as well as some other useful things. Seems like someone's been here already, but this back room over here is where we need to come. So right down here, we'll unlock this door here and head in. And inside, prepare yourself the most loot you've ever seen. Inside of this room here, we have some loose loot and a jacket. The jacket contains, you'd be surprised by this. Oh, actually, I was a surprised one. Usually it's nothing, but we have here some good things, I suppose. Usually it's not going to be anywhere near this good. This is locked down, so the loot here is inflated compared to usual normal game modes, but that's it. It's just one jacket, a bit of loose loot, and that's the key. There's probably more stuff in this room next to it. In fact, there's 1, 2, 3 jackets here that are all worth checking, as they could contain just as good items. But for the most part, that's it for this room. So hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you find in this room down below. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.